Hey guys, Michael here from TDX. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick run through on checking your boom, bucket and dipper seals on your Volvo excavator. A simple check like this can extend your machine's life. So let's go have a look. Before we start, make sure that the boom's placed down on the ground, we're on a level surface, the machine's turned off and all of the hydraulic pressure is relieved from the system. Start by checking the visible seal surfaces for wear, cracking or fluid seepage. Look closely around where the rod enters the housing. If you notice consistent fluid build-up or any consistent drips or a lack in performance, then it may be time to replace your seal kits. And for a limited time, these seal kits are 25% off. Need any help? Get in touch with us today.